My name is Dennis M. Burns. I'm a retired police officer. I've been retired for over a year now. I was in law enforcement for 45 years. On July the 2nd, 2018, I had a toilet overflow from my first floor bathroom. That overflow destroyed my entire first floor. The floors, the walls, the laundry room, kitchen, and it was such a bad leak or overflow that all the water went through the floor and down into my basement and destroyed everything I had in the basement. I had collectible trains down there worth a lot of money, and all the water came down on top of them, ruined them. I had a lot of personal items, my things, my daughter's clothing, my granddaughter's clothing, my son's toys, and they were all destroyed. Well, I made a claim that night, and the insurance company didn't show up till 9 days later. And then I had to start bartering with my insurance company. And it was like pulling teeth. I never thought I would get enough money to pay for all the damage. I had a contractor. Thank God I met the contractor, because he was halfway through his work, and he all of a sudden he gave me Peter's name from another job he had. He said, "Well, give Peter a call. He seems like a decent guy." So I called Peter, and since then, everything's smooth sailing. I winded up getting enough money from the insurance company to pay for my damage. And plus the fact I no longer had a barter with him, which wasn't fun. It was like I had to beg for everything I got. But with Peter and Johnny, his partner and wife, they were great. They did everything for me. I just sat back and took it easy. They would call me, let me know what was going on, and it was greatly appreciated. I had wished I had got Peter from the start, and Johnny. They were excellent, and I would recommend them to anybody who has any kind of damage to their property, who has to deal with an insurance company. Get in touch with PD Adjusting as soon as they can. I can't say enough about them. They were great.